Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening your project and immediately selecting the text layer you want to change. Do not click elsewhere. Once selected, look to the right side Properties panel where Font Controls live. You'll see Size, Weight, Alignment, and a Font drop-down. Click the drop-down to preview typefaces directly in the canvas. This saves time versus trialing each option. Make sure the text is not grouped or locked, because locked layers prevent font changes and waste time. Next, pick the font. Use the search box inside the drop-down to jump to a name quickly. You can scroll to preview or drag a custom font file into the upload area if Clipchamp supports uploads in your plan. This ensures brand consistency. After choosing, tweak size, line spacing, and letter spacing to fit the layout. These subtle shifts prevent overflow or awkward wraps. Once done, scrub the timeline to confirm the font renders across clips and transitions smooth. To finish, export a brief segment to confirm the font appears correctly in the final file. This step catches platform-specific rendering differences. If the font looks wrong, make sure the text layer isn't grouped or locked and that your custom font uploaded successfully. If problems persist, re-upload the font, clear browser cache, or restart Clipchamp. These actions resolve most sync or rendering glitches. Finally, save a template so you can reuse the exact font settings next time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.